So got some mail, and with a Rosie Revere Engineer sticker on it, you know it must be a great book, great new book from Andrea Beaty, children's author, Ada Twist scientist, and here is the brand new book, Lila Greer, Teacher of the Year. So if you've read the other books, you've actually seen teacher Lila Greer. She's character in all of the stories of, all those great Andrea Beaty books. So let's check it out. Wow, what a great story. Lila Greer, Teacher of the Year. It's definitely written to excite and inspire teachers, especially this would be like the that Dr. Seuss book that everybody always gets for graduates. This would be like that book for teachers. So if you know a brand new teacher, this is a perfect book for them. But you know what? At the same time, it's a great book for kids because it's got this little kid who grows up into a teacher, but all those what ifs, all those trying to make friends aspects, and then just one word I caught a couple times in this book, unfathomable, and just how big and how unfathomable sometimes our what ifs are, and those solutions can really make a great difference. Check it out, Andrea Beaty's great new book, Lila Greer, Teacher of the Year.